There's gotta be a better way. Just gotta be. Hey gang, Mark LeBlanc welcoming you back to the Alley Cat Workshop. I've got a quick one for you. Here's the situation. I have a number of chucks in my chop. This is one with a long nose grips. And my previous lathe had a 1-inch diameter headstock, 8 turns per inch in terms of rotation. So I had an adapter for that worked. My new lathe happens to have an 8 TPI as well, but it's 1.25 inches diameter. So what I have to do is I have to remove the adapter that's on this chuck and replace it with another one. In this video, I'm going to show you the best practice on removing the actual adapter. This is a trick that was given to me by Peter from woodchuckers.com. Big shout out to them. They've given me absolute great service. And they showed me this little trick, which is absolutely simple, stupid to do. Requires pretty much no strength. So here's the first thing. This is a Talon chuck. There are 3 screws in the that are screwed into the chuck, and there's an extra 2 holes here, and these are going to become pretty important. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take an Allen key, and I'm going to remove the 3 screws. All right, now I mentioned earlier that there are 2 extra screw holes here and here, and they're very much at the opposite sides of each other. So I'm going to take 2 screws. I'm going to screw them in, screw one in on one end. Okay, and that's as far as it'll go. And do the same thing with the second screw. Now, there are no corresponding holes on the chuck for those screw holes, but this is the trick to actually take off the adapter from the chuck. So I'm going to use my Allen key now, and I'm going to screw in tighten each of these screws, and what that's going to do is that's going to break the joint that exists between the chuck and the adapter. The adapter is slightly tapered, and that's so that the chuck will hold it. And already, just after a couple of turns, look at that, came right off. The suction was broken, and that was it. Now I can install a brand new adapter and keep using this chuck. So guys, that's the trick to remove the adapter from your chuck. Really easy, requires pretty much no strength. And I'm in a situation where I can use my old chuck and my new lathe. Hopefully this was useful for you. Do that thumbs up. Click subscribe if you haven't done so. I'd appreciate that. And, well, hey, guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.